Wow, this is a forest day in Djibouti. This was the city of Djibouti, and I'm so loving it. This is my guest house, and I'm so really proud of my house, and I'm so really like with my country. So it's a beautiful. Look at the climate, absolutely beautiful. Look at the sky, so wonderful. Look at the building, Mercedes. Look at the student, absolutely wonderful. Wow, wow.